And now moving forward to the video part. So there's a two type of videos you can use: generate videos instantly, and the second part is creating text to video. Just click on the Canva here. Now let's just select this video. Okay, so video template dashboard has been open. So there is one which you will notice from the left sidebar is generate videos instantly. So what it will do is, if you click on it, it will generate video out of your photos you have uploaded. There are set of screenshot for my mobile app, and for this part I will click this 1 2 3 4 5. So I will click on this. I will give a brief prompt to it what I want. I want add creative for my mobile app. Okay, I'm just giving a overview how I want my video to be, and click on generate. So it will create a minute or two to create a video from your images. So the video has been created. If I click on it, the text, it has been created automatically. So there's a check your copy without plagiarism checker. This text has been created by or extracted by the Canva from the pic itself. So if you want to add something else, much catchier copy, what you can do is, there's a magic assistant here. Just click on it, and there is edit with magic write, and there's also an option of rewrite. If I click on the rewrite, it will start rewriting text. Ensure your writing is original without a checker, which is way better than the previous. If you don't like that, just click again here and start rewriting it. Or if you want to rewrite something else, you can just write here with the help of magic write, and we'll start reading it. So that's how you can easily do it. If I click on the other slides here, there's another pick. This will boost your productivity without checklist. So it has extracted text from the images and give their own creative angle to it and paste it just like here. So that's how you can easily create a video instantly using your own images. So obviously it has information in the images. So it has collected the information from the images and given and generated videos instantly. But if you don't have that, you have to type that out with the help of magic designs here. So that's how easy it is to create one.